cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam, because we're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your Grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your Grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your Grandma's, said Joy, and look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And rang. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plate. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. So first you need just a regular Tupperware container. I used 2 pieces of paper. I used a pencil to trace, and I used a marker to draw, and you'll also need scissors to cut out. So first I started out by drawing circles on my paper. Those are going to represent cookies. You're going to draw 10 total. Then I decided that I wanted to design a little bit. You could do chocolate chips, sprinkles, whatever you want. For this, I'm going to do chocolate chips. So I'm just going to use a brown marker and make some chocolate chips on these cookies. Then next, we're going to cut out our cookies using our scissors. Now that we have all of our cookies out, cut out, they're designed. Now we're going to move on to the activity. This activity is going to start by counting. So we're going to take 1 cookie, and we're going to say 1, and we're going to put 1 cookie in the cookie jar. So that's 1. Then we're going to get another cookie, and we're going to put the second cookie in the cookie jar, and that's 2. So on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 total cookies.